Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use Printify for beginners. So the first step is to create a free Printify account. So you have to simply go to their official website and create your account. Then what you have to do is simply explore the catalog and choose the products that you want to sell. So you have to go to the catalog and select the products that you want to sell from the print provider that fits your best. To help you decide, they recommend you checking print provider's location, pricing, and ranking. When choosing products, it's important to keep your target audience in mind. For example, suppose you are targeting eco-friendly vegan audience. In that case, start with their eco t-shirt and reusable water bottles. But if you are targeting college students, then some cost-efficient products would fit better. Then what you have to do is simply upload your custom designs, and then basically you have to integrate your Printify account with a sales platform like Etsy or Shopify, and basically you can start monetizing your store and start making money. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.